Okay, today we are going to discuss about this question right here. This is a probability question. So, a drawer contains 4 blacks, 6 brown, and 8 olive socks. 2 socks are selected at random from the drawer. Compute the probability that both socks are the same color. So, how to solve for A first? To solve for A question, first thing first, we are always need to define the event that happened first. So we put A. So we just let our event be equal to getting a black sock. Event R equal to getting a brown sock. Event O equal to getting an olive sock. Okay. Right now, we are going to find the probability that both socks are of the same color. What does this mean? Right now we have 4 black, 6 brown, 8 olive. Yeah, this is what we have. And right now we are going to compute the probability that both socks are of the same color. So if they have same color means that we face for A. We let event A equal to both socks of same color, right? So our A is just equal to BB. We can either get BB, RR, or OO, right? This will be our sample space because we are going to get both socks of same color, right? So this is what we will have. And then how can we do it? Okay, so we know that our probability A is just equal to, we have 4 black sock, 4 we choose 2, or we can choose 2 from the red stock, or we can choose 2 from the olive stock. And we divide this by all the total stock we will have. We will have 18 stock because 4 plus 6 plus 8 will give us 18 stocks. So in this 18 stock, we are going to choose 2 same color stocks out. So use a calculator, you will find that you will get 0.3203. This will be the answer of our first question. How about the B part? The B part asks us to compute the probability that both stocks are olive if it is known that they are of the same color. So from this question, right, from the first scenario, or we say the A is just a marginal probability. What is the meaning of marginal probability? Marginal probability means that this probability is without any condition. While the second cases, we have a condition that is both socks are olive if it is known that they are of same color. It is known that, this will be the keyword, known that. Known that, or we see the word given that. When we see those words, we know that they are just a conditional probability. Once we know that it is a conditional probability, we know that this scenario will occur given another event. So what does this mean? Okay, so for the B scenario right here, okay, I'm going to teach you how to solve for this question right here. So first thing, we are going to let or we just use a black pen. Let event L equal to both socks are olive color. Once we find out that once we define that event L is both socks are olive color, we can now find a probability. We know that probability of both socks are olive color is given by the probability that both socks is given by the probability that they are of the same color. So we know that event A is just defined as both socks are of same color. So it's just given that event A, right? So in this case, will just be P L intersect with A divided by P A. So in this scenario, will just be P L intercept A, L intercept A. What will be L? L, our sample space for L will just be O. So L intercept with A will just be probability of L, right? Divided by PA. PA will just be 0. Here, right? 0.3203. So in this case will just be what? Our probability of PL will just be 8C2 divided by 18C2 divided by 0.3203, and then we will get an answer of 0.5714. This is how we solve for question 2. We need to be careful of whether the probability is a marginal probability or a conditional probability. And then for the extra question C, if 4 socks are selected at random, what is the probability that 2 socks are of same color and the other 2 are of different color? How to solve for this? To solve for this, we are going to do. We know that we are going to choose 2 socks are of same color and the other 2 are of different color, right? So we know that if we are going to select one color, because we have 2 same color, so we have 3 color, right? We have 3 different color. We have 3 different color. What color do we have? We have black, we have brown, and also olive. This is the 3 color that we will have. This is the 3 color we will have. And then we are going to number of way of selecting one color where 2 socks are taken, right? So this is just equal to 3C1, right? Because from 3 color we choose one color, and that color we must have 2 socks. So this case we will get 3. So we can either choose two socks from our black, 2 socks from our brown, or 2 socks from our olive socks. And then we are going to let event T equal to 2 socks of same color and 2 socks of different color. So in this case, our T will just be 2 we can either get 2B and 2 others, or we can get 2R and 2 others, or we can get 2O and 2 others, right? So our PT will just be, we have 4 black color, right? So we will choose 2 socks from black color, and then choose 2 different color. So we can choose 2 different colors. So we cannot choose from black color anymore, the socks. We can choose one from brown and one for olive, because the other 2 can't be the same color. So we can either choose for brown, one from brown and one from olive. So this, how many brown? We have 6 brown. So 6 brown will be 6, we choose 1. And then olive we have 8, right? So 8, we also choose 1. Plus, or we also can get 2 brown. So if we get 2 brown, will be, from 6 we choose 2 same color one, and 1 from black and 1 from olive. Same thing right here, we can also choose 2 olive, that is 8C2. We can choose 2 olive and then 2 different color, that is either from black, one from black and one from brown. And we are going to divide this by, because we just choose 4 socks out of the total sock, that is 18, right? So 18 we choose 4 out. You will find out that you will get an answer of 0.4706. This is how we solve for this question right here. Have a nice day.